going, everybody? This is Dr. John Clayton, your Layton Chiropractor here in Utah. We're here at Supra Chiropractic, and the video we're going to be talking about today is how often do I get adjusted as a chiropractor? With that being said, I get adjusted every single week, and the reason being is I like to golf, I like to lift weights, I like to obviously adjust patients and do what I do as a chiropractor. And so doing all these things tends to put me out of place. So I feel the need to get adjusted every single week. That's going to be kind of the premise of this video today. So second, the video towards the end of this part here will actually show me getting adjusted. I'm going to be getting adjusted by Dr. Wayne Johnson, who also shares the same location that I'm in. And I'll be showing you what adjustments I'm getting, and specifically also how Dr. Johnson adjusts me. Dr. Johnson, he is an extremity practitioner just like me. He has the same CCEP certification. And another thing that he's amazing at, besides adjusting the extremities, is doing orthotics for people. And so orthotics are the part that slips into your shoe that creates that foundation for your foot in order to balance everything out, to create a stable foundation for your pelvis, for your upper body, for everything basically. And so that's one of the things that he does in specific. And so we're going to show you guys how he adjusts me and kind of go through that here at the end. Thanks everyone for watching me get adjusted by Dr. Wayne Johnson. And in the comments below, be sure to put what you noticed about this video, maybe some of the things that you liked, maybe some things that were different than what you've seen before. And that's really the goal for these videos, is to show how many cool adjustments that we can get from different chiropractors, the different things that we can see as far as the specialties of these chiropractors and how they adjust, how they use their hands to really benefit the people in the community and to see really the benefits of chiropractic. And I see that firsthand every day, but I want to be able to show that to you guys. So if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment below, and then follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Again, I'm Dr. John Clayton, your Layton Chiropractor here at Supra Chiropractic in Utah. Thanks.